In this video, I'm going to show you how to record your laptop screen with video and audio. So you can actually do this with a built-in tool that's already installed to your Windows 11 computer. Now all you need to do is press the Windows Shift and R key on your keyboard, and that's going to bring up this record section like so. From here, you can just drag the selection that you want to record. So I want to record my whole screen, so I'm going to make a big selection like this. Once you have your selection, if you also want to record audio, we can click on the microphone option, and you want to make sure this is unmuted. You can also decide whether you want to record your system's audio, so this could be any background audio that's coming from your computer. Once you've unmuted both of these, you're all set to go, and we can click on the start button. So you'll get a small countdown, and then it will begin recording your screen. Once you're finished with your recording, just hit on the stop recording button, and that's going to take you over to a preview of your recording. From here, we can play back the recording by clicking on this play button. If you want to make changes to your recording, so maybe you want to cut out certain parts, then you can do that by clicking on edit in Clipchamp. Now this is a free application that Microsoft recommends using, and it will allow you to do things like crop the videos and cut the ends and the beginning. Now once you're happy with your recording, click on the save icon in the top right navigation. From here you can save your video as an MP4, select the folder that you want to save this recording in and press save. You can also click on these three horizontal lines, click on settings, and from here we can change some of the default settings for the screen recording app. So for example, you can change the default folder location for where your screen recordings are saved. You can also decide whether you want your microphone muted or unmuted at the beginning of recordings. And finally, you can also do the same for your system audio as well by toggling this either on or off. And it's as simple as that, guys. That's how you record both video and audio on your Windows 11 computer. If you did find this video helpful, then let me know in the comments and I'll see you in the next one.